Hi, I'm Joe from Plumbing Bros. Today I'm going to give a quick run through on flexible hoses and the damage they can cause within your property if they're not checked regularly. Now, as you can see here, this is a brand new flexible hose. No issues present there. However, you can see one here which is taken from a property which has actually burst. This in turn caused thousands and thousands of dollars in damage. Flexible hoses have a limited lifespan and should be replaced every 5 years. Flexible hoses should always be changed by a licensed plumber. The flexible hoses need to be watermarked and of good quality. Be sure to check the warranty on the flexible hoses. Schedule regular checks every 3 to 6 months of the flexible hoses. This can be as simple as checking for corrosion and brown marks. And don't forget to turn your water off when you're going away over a long period of time. Hopefully that was some helpful information on flexible hoses. Thank you for watching.